Then I'm adding the fish. So for today's recipe, I'm using trevally fish.
ഇതാണ് തനിയെ പേടിച്ചു എന്താ പേടിച്ചു
So after this, when I went home, I made drumstick and fish curry. Welcome to Prakir's Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to make drumstick fish curry. Hope you will like this recipe. Let us move into the video. So when the pan is ready, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. When the oil is ready, I'm adding half teaspoon of fenugreek seed, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 minutes of Sichuan seed and kernel seed, and I'm adding onion. Saute for a while. And I'm adding 6 to 7 garlic and then 2 green chilies. Then I'm adding then I'm adding vegetables. And then I'm adding chickpea water. This is the chickpea boiled water. So vegetable, I have added drumstick, cabbage, beans, and also Brussels sprouts. You can add that sort of vegetables, or you can only like add drumstick or beans or something, something like that. Do not add carrot or leeks for this recipe, or beetroot. Beetroot, carrot, like leeks, or like maybe what do you call, radish, or those, they actually don't go with it. So try to add this like these vegetables. Then add salt to your taste, for your taste. Again, chili powder for your taste. So I'm adding like it's according to your spiciness. So I'm adding around 1 tablespoon. Again, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon coriander powder, and give a mix. Then I'm adding the fish. So for today's recipe, I'm using trevally fish. I'm going to use any fish like kingfish or trevally, or any even salmon. So I'm going to close the lid and leave it to cook for around 20 minutes. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Let it boil for another 3 minutes. Then I'm adding the tamarind water. Now let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now the fish curry is ready. So if you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.